Hello guys, welcome to WhatsApp demo series. So today we have a connector which is Microsoft Team connector, and I already installed the connector in Odoo, and after installation we have the following menu options. So I just covered the menu options with respect to all required of the things or with respect to the features. Okay, so I just start with the credentials. So in credentials we required some parameter fields with respect to a specific application of Microsoft, and these credentials will help out to be authorized any account. Okay, so after when I created the application and I have put all required credentials. Okay, and after that you just click on to the connect button. Okay, so after it will ask some Microsoft account and it will ask some of the permissions, and after authentication it will redirect to the auto. So I just demonstrate to be click connect button and just to be demonstrate the workflow. Okay, so I just click to the connect button. So after authentication it will redirect to the auto. So I just already have to be configured that. So after authentication we are redirect to the auto. So I just go to the Microsoft Team. Okay, so the next menu option which is the connector. In connector we have import and export feature. Okay, with respect to the meetings. Also, we can filter out the meetings with respect to the following filter using. You can use that create date, modify date, start or end date. So it's up to you. You can use with respect to your requirement. Okay. Also, you can specify the date time frame which will be collect a specific meeting record, and it will goes to either Odoo or Microsoft Team. Okay, so after selection of all of the filters, you can just click on the sync button. Okay, so the next thing is the Cronjob settings. In Cronjob settings, we have an option with respect to meetings, which is import and export. Okay, individually you can use, it's up to you. Also, we have the following parameters with respect to the number of calls. For example, you can apply one-time call or a limited time call. Now, the next interval value, which is should be a positive number, not a negative number. Okay, this is the point that you can be noted. Okay, and the last thing is which is related to the Cronjob parameter settings, which is the type interval. Okay, so you can specify the minutes, hours or days, so it's up to you. Okay, so also you can may note the another point, if you have number of records large amount, then you can use a massive create some of massive difference to avoid any conflict. Okay, while you are using the cron job. So if you have less number of records regarding to the meetings, then you can use as your choice with smaller interval. Okay. So I just create a meeting in Microsoft Team and we will should import into the Odoo. Okay. So I just click on this one and I just put some random information. Testing. So I just some of the description. You can specify the interval as well. Okay, so it's up to you. So after that, description sample. So after that I will click on send, and then this will take us. Okay, so here we have created a meeting with the following details and the meeting link as well. So we will try to import in Odoo. So I just being using the Cronjob settings. You can use also the manual option as well. So I just prefer to be use this one. So just click on the save button and the message will say that the cron job setting are updated successfully. Okay. So after 1 minute the cron job will run and import all the events related to the. Okay. So I just go to the calendar meetings and just wait for the few seconds. I just refresh this one. So as you can see that we successfully imported the Microsoft Team meeting event in Odoo. You can check out all the information. For example, there is a tab named as Microsoft Team, and here all the information related to the meeting link and the other stuff. Okay, so this is the import feature while using the Cronjob. So also you can update at the real time or delete operation if you required anything. So if you update the information, that will be updated at the real time in Microsoft Team as well. For example, I just add on, okay, and try to click save button. So this will take few seconds while updating. So I will check in Microsoft Team as well. So as you can see that the changes will appended at real time. Okay. So also you can delete the meeting event at the real time as well if you delete from the Odoo app. Okay. So I just try to create a new one to demonstrate the export at the real time. So I just enter some random information and here's the location. And here is the description. So before you save the meeting event in Odoo, you can see that all the information. You can also specify the organizer and the which type of service that you want to choose. So if you want to be use the Microsoft Team, you can select this one, Teams for Business. And if you want to be use Skype and consumer with respect to the business or consumer, you can select that one value as well. So I just remain these value as well, these as they are. Basically, I am using the default values. So I just try to be save this meeting event, and this will take also few seconds while process all of the computation, and we will check in Microsoft Team. Okay, so as you can see that the meeting event is automatically created. Also you can see the all of the informations, okay, related to the Microsoft ID tags, all of the information you can check that. Okay, so now I'm trying to delete anyone. Also you can check out from here. So I just need to refresh this one. Okay, so there is one. Okay, so export meeting event is successfully exported from the Odoo. So I just demonstrate the delete operation as well. So I just click on the export testing and just click on the delete option. Okay, so that meeting event is also deleted in Microsoft Team as well. Okay. Okay, so we successfully deleted the meeting event in Odoo, and we can check out in Microsoft Team as well. So I just refresh this one. Basically, it will take few seconds while we are using the delete operation. Okay, so as you can see that we are successfully deleted as well. Okay, that event. Okay, so here these are the features that we have integrated in Odoo. So if you have other than that any feature, you can ask and we will try to implement those features as soon as possible. Okay, so happy to use Microsoft Team connector. Have a great day. Bye bye.